I hope you found my advice for landing a job in the design industry helpful so far. After investing time and effort in crafting your portfolio, you won't want to miss the mark when it comes to your CV. In this industry, attention to detail is paramount, and a professional, well-structured CV is integral to any application. First and foremost, always proofread your CV. Sounds obvious, but particularly if you struggle with spelling and grammar, it's really important. I'm a great believer that 2 heads are better than 1 and 3 heads are better than 2. So ask various people to review your CV for you, whether that's your tutor, fellow students, a parent or a friend. I went through over 20 iterations of my CV when I was at college, and each draft helped to refine and improve upon it. Spending time considering the design and composition of your CV is also essential. This is a document you want the recipient to read after all. I recommend you don't exceed 2 pages, as it's unlikely employers will have time to read more than that. Most CVs are portrait in format, but with less employers printing and instead viewing them on screen, you could opt for a landscape format to make the most of the space on a laptop or monitor screen. When it comes to typography, keep it simple and legible with a clear hierarchy, and avoid anything that could make your CV difficult to read, like condensed typefaces or all caps for titles. Although a touch of colour can enhance your CV, I would avoid colour backgrounds or reversed out text, as this can hinder legibility and waste ink or toner if it's printed. I would also recommend carefully checking that all formatting has been applied consistently for leading, spacing between sections, and any design elements. I'm a big fan of keylines, as they help to break up information and make it easier for the reader to digest, and they offer a simple yet effective way to add structure to a document. Although 2 columns are widely used with CVs, it can feel a little bit lacking in creativity. Using an odd number of columns will generally result in a much better composition, and it will help to maximize your use of the space. Content in CVs often has a short line length and is displayed in bullet point format, which is generally more aesthetically pleasing, split into multiple columns. For more advice like this, head over to our journal on the Firefly website, where you can find an article dedicated to tips for a professional designer CV. Keep your eyes peeled on our social media channels for tip number 4 coming tomorrow.